Hi, I am Hiral Mehta. I am a contemporary artist and have started a brand of lifestyle products with my unique artwork printed on them. I have worked for Grandmama's Cafe, Minerali Popli, Payal Singhal, Tandem Communications, and one of my paintings have found a place at Rajbhavan, Karnataka. The purpose of this podcast is to sensitize and expose the public to the vitality and quite simply to the beauty of art, as well as comfort other artists and show them that you are not alone with your struggles. Through this podcast, we will get the chance to interview various different artists who have unique themes and journeys as well. This will allow budding artists to learn about various experiences and how they can reach their fullest potential, to know which mistakes to avoid. As an artist myself, I have been the target of the archaic belief that the public has of art. My success was initially doubted by my friends and family. Quite ironically, they come to me now requesting commissions for lifestyle products designed by me. My passion for art is extreme. I have pushed through all unsuccessful ventures, the failures and burnouts. This molded me into the successful artist I am today. My work is always in a state of transition. It keeps me going. I landed my first commission at World Art Center in Dubai. My business of art started growing after my exhibition at Jahangir Art Gallery. After this, people began approaching me for work and commissions. It is safe to say my dedication to pursue this made it happen. That in face of adversity, I didn't give up. My niche or my category of art is quite unique. It is a reflection of who I am as an artist. My thoughts, my emotions and my feelings. My art gives me the ability to materialize visions, which is a power. I do draw inspiration from Indian art forms. Living in Bangalore, I grew deep reverence towards mandalas. Recently, I have been attracted to Indian miniatures. This form of art holds intricacies and details so fine that you could almost miss it. The colors originally used are precious and delicate. However, I would rather use bold and bright neon colors at the moment. An example of how I weave my own ideas and themes into these arts. Inspiration from Gond is also evident in my work. The Gond artwork notable lines and dotted techniques. I believe that art has the ability to manifest and manipulate change, whether we want it to be or not. Art is a powerful resource and we must learn to harness that power. However, the perception of art has been indelibly etched in the minds of the public that it is a dead field, that there is no scope and no way to make money. Isse paisa kaise milega? As a successful artist myself, I believe that art should be and is available to everyone and every idea has potential. We hope that you will join us in the journey and allow us to give you the exposure to the world of art and help us combat the archaic stigma around artists. We welcome you to the journey and the struggles of an artist.